Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to design a professional planner cover for your dropshipping or merchandise products. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the home page, and at the home page, you have to tap on the print products section and then go to the gifts category. And here, if you scroll down, you will find the planner cover icon on the bottom. And now tap on it. And here, Canva is going to create for you an editing page which already has the exact ratio, size, and quality that you would need for such a product. And from here, you can add your own texts, photos, you can upload your own designs to the planner, but you can also use some of these professional Canva templates that are all designed by professional designers, and they all look very nice. And they are optimized for sales, so I would highly recommend using some of these. And when you choose one and tap on apply, it's going to apply it to your design. As you can see, most of them have a front and also a back cover. And when you apply it to your design, you can go and customize it. You can change the names, you can change the titles, you can even change the colors of these design elements, and really anything. So it is highly customizable, and I'm sure that everyone can find a design theme that fits their niche. As you can see, all of these look very professional and beautiful, so I would recommend using these. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.